Brad Williams, Excel Prime, change Excel time to hours. We're reversing it. Not a big deal. It's very simple. Multiply Excel times 24. This is just a random number. Here's the problem, 1895. Again, Control 1, custom, and find a format you want, a time format. What we're doing is, I don't know if we can do this or not. Can we? We're looking for hours, so minutes, seconds. I think we want hours, minutes, seconds. 1920. Nope. I want this in normal time. What if we do this time? It's just time. So there. So we could just do that. We could just convert this over to time. You can hit F9. Sometimes we just overlook the obvious, and that is something that was just so simple dumps us at times. We look at this going, I have 2293. How am I going to put that into time? You can use this tool right here, time. And why is it 22? Well, it's 22 divided by 24. Well, we could do it this way. Equals this divided by 24. And that's all we're trying to do is we're trying to format this. Control 1, hit time. And sometimes it's just simple to find what we're trying to get. So there you go. I was doing custom. I should have hit time. Keep in mind, sometimes I automatically go to custom and I can go to date. Here is a whole host of dates pre-formatted where you don't have to deal with this custom deal. You go to time, you can see all the different formats here. Guilty here. I overlooked it. I apologize. I should have been pointing you to all of these different options. With date and time, there's a lot of preset formats. And if you want this format here, we don't have seconds. That's the way this is formatted. Here's the typical layout, 3:36 p.m. If it's AM, it'll automatically kick in AM. But there you go. There's a simple conversion. To put it back into its normal, go up here to general and then just change the format 1203. Saying, well, they almost match. Well, they don't. 631 Excel time is 652. Just remember, you don't need to do anything else other than to format this. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you for watching.